We're going to make a Mexican dish today. I'm going to use some white vinegar, some cumin, oregano, a little bit of honey, some orange juice. You're going to need a blender for this. And I'm using chicken thighs, a little over 1.5 pounds. Garlic. I'm going to use half of that onion. And we need some chilies. Chili Guajillo. I'm going to use some chili Guajillo. And chili ancho there. And if you have a blender and the chilies, this is so simple to make. Let's get started. With our chilies, you just want to cut the top off. Do this to all of them. I'm using 5 Guajillos and 1 ancho. The Guajillos are not spicy. They just have a nice flavor. The ancho is a little bit spicy, but not as much as a jalapeno. So you want to get all the seeds out of them. Or most. I mean, if you have some seeds that are stuck in there, that's okay. Just don't have like 50 seeds. You know, 25 seeds or something's okay. But get most of them out. And then cut them all in half and into pieces like that. I have a dry skillet here that's hot. I've been heating up. I'm going to put our chilies in there. And press down on them, kind of wake them up. And right here, I have a bowl of hot water. I didn't boil the water or anything, I just got hot water out of the faucet. I think that's all you need. You can start smelling the aroma of these chilies. It smells fantastic. It smells like a Mexican restaurant. Very nice. It just kind of softens them. Softens them up some. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and turn my heat off. I'm going to put them in my bowl of water for 20 minutes. Just make sure you get them soaking down inside that water. Let's put our chilies in. I've drained them. They soaked for 20 minutes. I'm going to add salt. A teaspoon of coarse salt. 2 tablespoons of vinegar. Here's half that onion and 5 of the garlic, a tablespoon of honey, and 1.5 cups of OJ, orange juice. I have my pan hot. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of lard. Yeah, I think I'll just add 1. Add that 1 tablespoon. And to that lard, I'm going to add a teaspoon of cumin, and a teaspoon of oregano, let me mix that around a bit. Okay. I'm going to add the sauce. And put our sauce in here and cook it just for a minute or so. And once I turn the camera off, I'm going to get a spatula and get everything out of there. I'm going to add about 1/4 cup of the liquid that the chilies softened up in. I'm going to add our chicken. The chicken, I went ahead and put some salt and pepper on it. We're going to cook the chicken in the sauce here. And we'll cook it about 25 minutes. Well, the chicken has cooked for 25 minutes. I'm going to put it on a plate and let it cool off. While this has been cooking, I've been chopping some cilantro because I know Gail loves cilantro. Don't you, Gail? And I've been making sure I only get the leaves because she won't eat cilantro if there's any stems in there. This is all a big joke. Gail hates cilantro. Okay, I got the chicken out. Now I'm going to let this reduce. I want it to, and allow the chicken to cool off. I'm going to like cut up the chicken or shred the chicken. And while that's cooling off, I want this to reduce down to about a cup. Look at this. How it is reduced down. It's gotten brick red. It is about a cup and a half, I would say, instead of a cup. And that's fine. It's nice and thick. I'm going to add my chicken. All the ingredients and the method, the recipe will be in the description. We'll stir this together. Once you get everything covered and the chicken warmed up, we're ready to eat. Let's serve some up on a plate. You could garnish with a little bit of cilantro and eat it just like this. You can eat it just like this. It is, I've already tasted it. It's very, very good. Not really spicy at all. Or you could serve with tortillas. Put some in a tortilla. Like this. And we'll get down to one tortilla. And then put a little onion cilantro on there. Maybe a little hot sauce. And there you go. Mmm. Mmm. Mm-mm-mm. You have to make this. It's wonderful. It tastes a little bit sweet because of the honey, and just perfectly balanced. Thank you so much for watching.